Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai. Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why.
We're going to be filming on something called Pineapple Street. That's a lighthouse, of course. Right over there is actually the ocean. You can barely see it over there. And we'll put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. But one of the things that you're going to notice about this is all these pineapples and cartoon characters. So we're going to kind of go up here and explore it. I have been here before, but it was a while ago, and I just kind of want to check it out again and see if there's things that I missed. Anyways, stay tuned for Pineapple Street. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. Come on, let's go with me. Yep, so now you saw it up on the map so you can see there's even a little welcome sign. And this is kind of see, there's also these little alley things. And these aren't part of Pineapple Street, but I am kind of curious to go down and explore and see where they do go. But there's a lot of stairs here. But yeah, the ocean is right over there, and I feel like this area right here, they designed it with all the pineapple for some reason. I think partially because, you know, here's like a little place you can sit up at the top. Got even a little Instagram thing, Polaroid camera thing. Let's see what else we got. There's another lighthouse. So you got lots of stores too, which will cater towards this. Let's see what else we got. Not so much on that side, but lots on this side. And I don't know, it looks like, I think in the future these alleys could be filled with all kinds of cool stuff. Here's a little coffee shop right here. It looks like they also have some of the stuff on the walls in there. And this one definitely does. Tom and Jerry. Places to sit. Yeah, I guess this is just a little convenience store. But it does have all of the stuff. So let's just kind of go up a little bit. Let me see. Here's some more pineapple stuff right here. So it feels like in the future they might have all kinds of interesting stuff. Let me just kind of walk down one of these real quick. I just wanted to see the potential of this. Like, is there a chance that this whole area could become like a little village with like coffee shops and things like that? It's possible. I don't see it right here though. But on this street they are going with that theme. They should sell pineapples here. There's not really a shop that like if you have pineapples on the walls, shouldn't you like sell pineapples and have little pineapple stuff like just for tourists, like really geared up? Yeah, and the street is kind of cool because it's kind of on a hill a little bit too. Here's another place that could be open to for business. This looks like a little bit of a parking lot kind of thing. I'm sure lots of these people, this is just their homes. See, if I was, I'd also put this up there. But I guess there's not really any business right there anyways. I wonder if the future they could have stuff like little more coffee shops and stuff like that. Pretty cool. Anything on this side? I do wonder if eventually they will. Like, this is a private residence, but like that space looks kind of cool. Like you could put something there for, well, anyways, that's a little bit beyond. I don't think that that's really the goal of the street anyways. I think it's just some people in the neighborhood decided to put pineapples or something. I don't know. I wonder how many of these people own their shops. It's another little space that goes up into the hills. Even a little bird here. Yeah, this is somebody's private residence, but it's so cool, right? In fact, they have a table out there like that. I don't know if that's a business. Not really sure. This looks like another office. Might play like mahjong and stuff like that here. Anyways, this is Pineapple Street. Yeah. And I think this one will end. So I think that would be the ending of it. So we'll just go back to where we came from. And actually there's a, another street with the same name to the left that's parallel with this. And I tried to, like right where that barrier was at, I walked in there before. I think he might be able to walk through it, but I'm not sure. And then some of these he might be able to walk. I don't know. But at the moment, this is such a great view right here. I mean, check out that. There's even this little place up there with a rooftop. If you had a rooftop like that, you could, I wonder if you can actually, how far you can see. There's actually ocean straight ahead to the right. Some more pineapple references. More pineapple references here. Same ones, but so I have to make a decision to go through the alleys or go to the beach, go towards the ocean. I think for the viewer, there's Super Mario. For the viewer, it's probably more interesting to go to the beach. The beach is not that close, but I mean overlooking the ocean, I mean. I was thinking about walking down that way and going all the way down to another street down that way. Okay. Bunch of people parked illegally right here. Guess you can walk through that. So yeah, that was actually Pineapple Street. And if you walk straight down this way, it goes all the way down to the ocean. And I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not. Might just go to the shade and then just look up one of these streets and see what's to the street to the right. And I think I'm gonna end it. But yeah, the Zhuhai Ocean is straight ahead. Okay, so there's a community up here, these steps and such. And Jingguangli, I think there's like 1, 2, 3. So I think those are references to that. And I think we're gonna end it. So that was Pineapple Street, and then yeah, directly right over there is the ocean. And then I think we're just going to come to an end. Let's just go back towards Pineapple Street. So yeah, Pineapple Street is directly up that way. And I guess on that note, we're going to end it right on these blue bikes, these rental bikes that you can get. And I'm going to go explore somewhere else and show you some other things of Zhuhai. So stay tuned for that. Pineapple Street.
Under the Zhuhai sky.